Hi, I'm Pat Barnard, Group Managing Editor for TMCnet, and joining me here at IT Expo West in Los Angeles is Assaji Aluwihare, General Manager, Network and Enterprise Test for JDSU. How you doing today?
How are you? Good to be here.
Yeah, welcome. So why don't you tell me, start off telling me about a little bit about what's new at JDSU in terms of products and solutions, new offerings that you have?
Okay. Well, as you know, JDSU is a broad technology company really focused on innovating through collaborating with our customers in various segments. We enable broadband innovation for service providers, basically, in the optical space and in the test and measurement space, serving a group of communication customers, commercial customers, and even consumers. We are the largest provider, basically, of test and measurement equipment and optical equipment for telecommunications providers, cable operators, mobile operators, and now enterprises as well. So, here, this is an enterprise show, so this is the first time we've been at the IT Expo, and we're pretty excited to be here because we have a pretty broad range of products.
Right, I know you do.
That support, historically, been focused in the telecommunications space, but now we're focusing on the enterprise space as well. As you know, by my title, I run a group called Network and Enterprise Test Group.
Right.
We have a variety of products that we're introducing here today. Our lead product, which is known as the T-Bird or MTS 4000 platform, is kind of a full lifecycle, broad product that can address the needs of all kinds of enterprise problems for people managing an enterprise today. It's uniquely scalable, and I can talk about what that really means. But it addresses problems starting from the physical layer, for example. So it has copper testing to do physical layer testing. It has fiber optic testing, ranging from fiber inspection with automated pass-fail criteria for fiber inspection. It has optical power meter capability. It has OTDRs. For single mode and multi-mode testing for the high-speed networks that they're deploying today. So, you see a lot of themes here in this show: cloud computing, virtual computing, etc. Driving bandwidth throughout the network as you're updating these networks for fiber. The OTDR functionality becomes very critical, things like that. And so we're bringing all of that together. Together with that, the 4000 platform comes with something called the Enterprise Services Application Module, the ESAM. This module adds a whole lot of IP functionality to the box as well. So, so beyond the physical layer, now you can actually test things like connectivity. You can discover host. You can do a wide array of statistics, measuring throughput by the different kinds of streams, users, top talkers, things like that. All the way to deep packet analysis up to layer 7. So, so the engine can filter conversations on different types of applications, look for security issues, things like that. So the product has a physical layer through that. In addition, it has interfaces for fiber testing. So it has a fiber interface, a copper interface, and a wireless interface. So in an enterprise where you got all that, you can test all of that. Advanced services testing, it comes with a voice over IP testing capability. So you can place calls, do quality of service testing on that. It has IPTV on it as well. So extremely broad set of features in one box, but it's also scalable. You don't have to spend the money up front to get this box. It's a modular platform, so you can buy a base and then you can buy the features as you need them. So this is kind of unique in the marketplace today in the enterprise space. There's nothing like that today. We have other products for the that broad product is good for guy managing a large network. But if you've got a network with, say, 50-odd users, we have another product known as the Validator Pro.
Is this also new?
Yes, the Validator Pro. That product, it is a tester that has copper testing and fiber testing and wireless testing, not as deep as the 4000 with the Enterprise Services module I talked about. But it's a single handheld device, battery operated. Everyone can carry it around in their pocket. It's an easy thing. You go into any building today, you have copper networks, some fiber, and typically now you're installing Wi-Fi as well.
Right,
and
sure.
this product can solve that problem.
Right.
We have also an array of handhelds. We have a couple of new products. The HP2 fiber inspection scope that we have released. JDSU has we're the leading company in fiber inspection, and this is our latest fiber inspection module, a handheld that you can use in enterprise networks.
Great.
We also recently launched our Smart Pocket optical handheld line. This is a line of light sources and power meters, highly accurate, handheld, small size, long battery life with the ability to basically store results, things like that. So it's a really extremely large portfolio where our product now extends from physical layer all the way to application layer testing as well.
Right.
Bringing all our expertise that we've had for many years in the telecommunications space and bringing it to the enterprise. The trends we see here, the enterprise is growing. Bandwidths are now reaching such high rates that the network is changing quite a bit.
Right. Now, are the just for clarification for viewers, are the majority of the solutions are all hardware and software? Do you also offer software-based software only test solutions as well?
Yes, we have monitoring solutions. Most of our solutions and most of the solutions that come out of my group and the enterprise portfolio we talk about is hardware and software solutions, things that you can pick up and move around or set in a rack.
For the field or for the IT manager.
Right, exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Okay. All right, great. I understand you're also going to be speaking at some sessions, is that right?
Yes, so I have actually already spoken at a session. We had a session at the Lightwave 1 segment. We talked about basically the trends in the enterprise that are driving the changes in the enterprise. All the themes you see in all the sessions here, of collaboration's a big one, driving bandwidth needs, virtualization, consolidation in the data center. That means people are going to have to upgrade their data centers. There's fiber, OM4, all of these trends moving forward. So
that's great.
So we talked about the trends in that area.
Cool. That's great. Good. Well, we're really happy you're at the show, and I think it's going to be a great opportunity for you guys, and we hope you come back again. We've been speaking with Assaji Aluwihare, General Manager, Network Enterprise Test Division for JDSU, coming to you from IT Expo West in Los Angeles. Thanks very much for joining us.
Thank you.